Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes recovery. It looks like Windows didn't load correctly fix in Windows 11, 10. Click See Advanced Repair Options. First method is click Startup Repair. Click Advanced Options. Second method is click Troubleshoot. Click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit. Find Windows installed drive letter. In my case, Windows installed drive letter is C. Type SFC /scanno. Type CHKDSK /C:/F /X/R. Exit and start Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.